Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, we're walking around an install that we've just carried out on some parking sensors that we've added to a BMW 1 Series. If you're new to our channel or haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the customer came into us looking for a little bit more assistance and help with actually parking the vehicle. That's why we've added in our Retrofit sensors. Basically, they're a flush fit sensor, 17mm rear sensors that we've added onto the vehicle. They're fully automatic in the fact as soon as you engage reverse, it automatically brings them on. You get a single tone to hear them come on, plus then it beeps as you approach the obstacle or wall or whatever you're parking into that space. In terms of the solution, basically what's involved, we actually remove the bumper completely. Reason why we do this because it's a flush fit sensor. They actually mount from behind, and on this particular vehicle they go into exact factory location, which is really nice. Plus then what we do to the sensors is actually color code them to the exact color of the actual vehicle itself, then do all the wiring to the highest installation standards. Every join that we create is actually a soldered join, so it's a reliable connection, but also it's installed to the highest possible standards. Plus then the bumper basically goes back on, and cosmetically you've got a really nice solution. So it's a 17mm sensor, but it's in a flush fit location, in a stock location, really nicely installed into the vehicle. Nothing else is displayed inside the vehicle. We also do front sensor options as well, so if you are after front and rear and want to have that done at the same time, we can offer that service as well. But overall, a really nice solution. I'm sure the customer's going to be over the moon, not only with the finished look of the sensors, but also using them, how easy they are to use and how reliable this solution is as well. But if you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, or would like something like this installed, make sure you've hit the like button, plus share the video and subscribe, but also drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through all of the options with you for parking sensors or integrated reversing cameras that we can also do on a lot of vehicles as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. We look forward to working on your car soon.